name is Kim Pring from Geely Pampanga, your sales executive. Today we are going to discuss the Geely 2025 Geely Emgrand luxury. Sa Geely Emgrand luxury pa ma'am, we do have the 1.5 liter and 4 cylinder. Also, sobrang tipid niya sa gas, like yung sabi nga natin sa fuel consumption natin, we can achieve 15 kilometers per liter. Sa long drive na po yun. And also, sa features niya ma'am, meron tayong cruise control. So, hassle-free kapag mag-drive tayo sa mga long drive natin like sa expressways. Imagine yung pag-drive natin na mahaba-haba, kaka-apak ng gas natin. Mapiprevent na natin yung ngawit kahit na automatic yan. Diba din have Geely luxury po natin ay merong sunroof. So, you may also enjoy the view, diba, sa labas. Sayang yun pag hindi nila nakuha. So, even though half lang siya, pero you may also still enjoy the view. Sa safety features naman po natin, ma'am, hindi tayo talo kay Geely. Meron tayo sa brake, imagine sa brake na lang, meron tayong drum brakes. Also, yung mga suspension po natin is MacPherson strut sa harap, then sa rear naman po is the torsion beam. Also, yung unit natin ay merong rear camera and parking sensors. Pag park or aatras tayo, makikita na natin yung likod natin. The Emgrand Luxury has a 5 seating capacity. Dun sa seats naman po, leather na po yung seat natin. Then sa driver side nga po pala, electronic adjustment po siya. Yung likod ni Emgrand is malaki yung space. We do have 500 liter cargo volume. Imagine that space. Napaka-spacious niya. For the entertainment features, meron tayong infotainment with Apple CarPlay. Additional yan ngayon. Before kasi sa mga previous units natin, wala tayong CarPlay. Yung software lang po ni Geely ang gamit natin. Ngayon, managdagdag si Geely ng Apple CarPlay. For the SRP price is 949,000. Then the discount for cash payment or PO is 40,000. Ngayon, ma'am, kung sa financing natin, 58,000 all-in down payment na yon. Then your monthly is 19,652 pesos for 5 years. Also additional po, yung promo natin, pwede natin siya extend to up to 7 years. The cash naman po is free na yung 3 years LTO po natin. And yung pinagmamalaki natin 1 year 24/7 roadside assistant, yung LGC, which is the LGC Cares. Currently sa 2025, we only have the luxury or the top of the line. Ngayon, kung gusto po natin ng mid-variant and also ng base model, we do have the Geely Emgrand S or the manual transmission and also yung 2023 Geely Emgrand Comfort. You may contact us at 0918-854-2766. Yung Geely Pampanga main page po and also may official page po na Geely Pampanga by Kim Pring. We are located here at Abad Santos Avenue, Carol Fuso Building lang po.